Hi guys, so today it's gonna be a follow me around vlog. I have a few things planned today. I'm getting my hair done, getting my halo extensions clipped in, and I'm seeing one of my good friends, Steffi, and we're gonna probably go to Ikea, Kmart, things like that. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. Welcome to my channel, and let's get into the video.
I'll never catch him while I'm this small. Curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
These brushes, I already have this one. I was gonna get the highlight brush that I always get, like the white one.
Yeah, I love that one. This one's synthetic, I think, and the other one's natural. Yeah. So that one would be really good to pack it on.
It's kind of bigger though. I like that.
Yeah, it will be good to like pack it on, you know.
Let me take my hair down because I look like I'm bald.
Oh, who is she?
Who is she? I gotta get on your level, you know.
No, but literally.
Oh, she's calling me now.
Hi guys, so it's not okay. We're at Ikea. Sorry I haven't updated you guys, but we have been like at Westbrook Carousel and now we're at Ikea, you know, shopping as always.
I'm getting this for my eyelash stuff.
Cute. I love those like, that's the one I dropped last time.
I'm gonna get that.
Yeah,
because that's the one I accidentally froze.
yeah, it's so cheap. But yeah, we're just getting some bits and bobs for the house. I love this section. It's the lighting section. So they have so many pretty like rattan ones, and well, they have more rattan over there if you can see.
It's actually only $1.99. It's not bad for that big giant mirror. Why did we do that?
Both the same. Yeah, like I mean, no, but you can get like cute modern ones. Oh, that one's cute with the the design.
What's it called?
Geometric shape.
Geometric, there we go.
Hi guys, so I realized this vlog was really short and I decided to post it anyway in case there are those of you that like to watch shorter videos. Sorry I'm talking with a filter. My eyes are super puffy and red today, so I look awful on normal camera, so you're getting this side of me today. But I hope you guys liked this shorter video. Give it a thumbs up and thank you for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video.